Alright, so here we are on our way to Easton. We're coming up upon Regalsville, just a few miles up. Beautiful farmland, isn't it nice? This is beautiful. Okay, so our time is 8:46. Doing well. There's a little section where it's a little bumpy just after the general store that I had breakfast at in Kinnersville. It's a little bumpy on the path. It's smoothing out now. So most of the ride to Easton is kind of like this, which isn't bad at all. Now in a couple of weeks, they're going to officially open up the floodgate in Easton. That'll put all the water back into the canal, because there's some areas that are dry. It's a big event. Friday, July 23rd, I believe. It's on a website, Friends of the Delaware Canal. Like 10:30 in the morning. I'm on vacation, so I'm actually hoping to attend it. That would be awesome. Looking forward to it. All right, onward to Easton. Oh yeah. All right, got something to show you. Check it out. We are in Easton. That's the Easton Dam. It's where the Lehigh meets the Delaware. How about that, huh? Awesome ride. I feel good. Great ride. Look at this. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Couldn't ask for more. All right, let's do a little time check. It is 10 o'clock. 75 degrees. And we're 54.7. What is it with these .7s? Isn't that kind of funny? 54.7 miles out. And we have yet to hop on the Lehigh Canal, which starts right over that way. It goes right in there where those trees are. And up we go. So that's next. We're Lehigh Canal bound. Headed for Bethlehem and Allentown. And when that trip timer gets to 75 miles, that's it. Time to turn around. This is awesome. What do you think? Nice, huh? Definitely doing some distance. Oh yeah. Well, what do you say we hit that Lehigh Canal? All right. Welcome to the Lehigh Canal. The section that I'm riding on here is actually paved. It's asphalt. It's nice, smooth riding. Let me show you something. We have a map here. Okay, here's Easton. And then we have Bethlehem and Allentown. That's probably going to be the turnaround point when I get to 75 miles. Going to be turning around there. And then it's all the way back to Easton and then back down. All the way through. There's Washington's Crossing. And I'm in this area right about here when I get back home. So it is quite the ride. Look at this. Wow. 150 miles. That is definitely doing some distance. So, let's see where we're at here. Alright. 60 miles. It's 10:42 in the morning. 86 degrees. I feel good. Drinking a lot of water. I'm going to figure out lunch in a little while. Probably do lunch after the turnaround point. I want to do the turnaround first to save some time. So we're headed down right here. We're going to get on right here and down we go. Okay? Alright. Let's make it happen. Okay, we are in Bethlehem on the Lehigh Canal. It's 11:28 a.m., 91 degrees, and we're about 68 miles out. Just need to get to the 75-mile mark, and we're good to go. So we're almost at the turnaround point. I feel good. Very nice ride. Went past on the left a few miles, like a couple miles back, Bethlehem Steel. It's amazing. The Lehigh Canal is very nice, as you can see. And there's the river. And we are almost there. Just a little more to go. Welcome to Allentown. This is the end of the line. There is no more path, so I have to turn around. But I'm under my mileage, which is okay. I'll work that out. I took a shorter route going up, so that just means that I need to take a little bit of a longer route to make up those miles on the way back. So let's take a look at where we're at. See if you guys can see this. Okay, so 90 degrees, 11:53 a.m. This is my ride time, where it's just riding. 6 hours, 5 minutes, 48 seconds. Trip, 71.9. And so I'm turning around, gonna head back. And like I said, I'll make up the extra miles, just taking the longer route. On my way back down, I'll go through Morrisville, and end up at Falls Township Park in Tullytown area. So that's the plan. So it's a turnaround point, and I'm getting kind of hungry. I'm feeling good, but I'm getting kind of hungry. Feel like I need a meal. A little bit, not really thirsty because I got plenty of water, but it is getting a little warm. So probably going to see what we have as far as place to stop before I get to Easton. If not, when I get to Easton, there's a McDonald's I can stop at real quick. Get a quick burger, quick bite to eat. So that's our next stop. All right, let's go.